Tired of expensive cable TV for you and your residents? Want to boost your property's appeal while offering residents a cost-effective entertainment solution? Wake up! The good news is that StreamWise Solutions has the answer. Get 100 or more free live local channels, no monthly fees, and seamless installation for your property. Multifamily property owners face increasing cable TV costs, making it harder to offer value to residents. There is a better way. StreamWise Solutions provides a game-changing master antenna TV system, professionally installed with little to no maintenance. Offering over 100 free live local channels in HD with high-quality reception, all without monthly fees for tenants or property managers. Each resident can save an average of $85 a month, while property owners can eliminate bulk cable contracts, saving as much as $600 per unit in annual savings. Receive live major networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS in crystal clear HD. No buffering, no outages. Offering free live TV makes your property stand out, increasing its appeal and value. Our experts ensure a smooth installation with minimal disruption to your residents, great training, and backed by ongoing support. Our expert team completes installation in just a few days with minimal disruption to you and your residents. Our installation comprehensively includes site evaluation, antenna installation, terminations in each room, including community spaces, testing, and optimization of signals so that each connection is plug in and play. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from property owners and residents already benefiting from StreamWise Solutions and saving tens of thousands of dollars each year in TV costs. Join other properties, apartments, condos, or affordable housing who are cutting operating costs and adding value. Contact StreamWise Solutions today for a free TV, internet, and Wi-Fi consultation. Schedule your free consultation now. 303-794-8600. That's 303-794-8600. Or go to getstreamwise.com.